Now, we've seen the e-tron moniker on a bunch of different Audi vehicles, everything from a few concepts here and there to the A3 Sportback plug-in hybrid. But now Audi has gone all electric all the time with the 2019 e-tron SUV. That's right, it's Audi's first all-electric vehicle. Inside, I've got a modern and sporty interior that comes with virtual cockpit standard as well as a dual screen setup like what we've seen on the A7 and A8. Now, Audi's been pretty mum when it comes to range, but when you think about it, the Model X, that's given you up to 295 miles on a single charge. So Audi would be well served to be up there towards 300 if it wants to be competitive. When it comes to power, again, not a lot of numbers. We do know that it's got a top speed of 124 miles an hour and can scoot from 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds. Now, sure, that's no ludicrous speed, but hey, that's no slouch either. Now, when it comes to design, Audi didn't want to alienate any potential EV buyers, so the e-tron looks a lot like what is already available in their model lineup. But if you look closely, there are some cool differences. I really like this daytime running light signature. We've got these 4 horizontal bars here, kind of looks like batteries charging up, and they did keep the grille. Sure, it's not functional, but Audi considers it to be a part of their history and heritage. It just would look a little strange without a grille. Now, if you come around here to the side, here's one thing that's really cool, but unfortunately we won't get here in the States, and that's these digital side mirrors. Unfortunately, legislation prohibits them from coming stateside. And as we come around here to the back, we've got a full LED horizontal bar between those taillights and a conspicuous lack of tailpipes. So how does this stack up to the competition? Well, you can go further in a Tesla Model X, but you'll pay $100,000 for the privilege. The Jaguar I-Pace has got a range of about 240 miles, but it's also less expensive, starting at about $70,000. And soon we'll see the Mercedes-Benz EQC as well as the Porsche Taycan. But for right now, the 2019 Audi e-tron, which is going to start at about $75,000, seems to be a very big hitter in a small pond. Hey, if you'd like to hear more about the Audi e-tron, my man Brian Cooley's got a whole video on all of the tech, so be sure to check that out here on the YouTubes and like and subscribe.